Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer for beginners available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer for beginners, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. 3D Printer XY3 Printer with single extruder plus single print head. Printer with single extruder plus single print head plus laser engraving toolkit. Printer with dual extruder plus 2-in-1 out print head plus single print head plus laser engraving toolkit. Integrated structure assembled in 2 steps. The whole machine is composed of 2 parts: the upper frame and bottom base, which saves the cumbersome assembly process. High-performance silent motherboard. The ultra-quiet motherboard is equipped with an ARM high-performance processing chip and a TMC ultra-quiet driver, which makes printing processes quieter, more accurate, and more stable. Intelligent memory. Power failure. Resume printing. Intelligent printing automatically remember the printing progress, and restart the machine to resume printing in breakpoint after power off. Warning of broken filament detection. XY3 is equipped with a high sensitivity material broken detector. Once a material broken occurs, it will automatically stop printing and emit a warning sound. Equipped with Titan extruder compatible with various consumables. XY3 uses Titan extruder. Suitable for all kinds of filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PETC, wood, TPU. Number 2. Acma S1 3.5 watts Mini Portable Laser 3D Printer. Acma S1 3.5W Vertical Bar Mini Portable Laser Engraver. Vertical bar portable design, compact and lightweight. Acma S1, ideal for on-the-go DIY projects. Engraves on wood, metal, acrylic, leather, and more with precision. Efficient 10,000 mm per minute engraving speed for quick results. 2500 mW/3500 mW laser power ensures detailed and accurate engravings. User-friendly interface for beginners and experienced users alike. The Acma S1 3.5 watts Mini Portable Laser Engraver is a versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its compact design and powerful 3.5 watts laser, this engraver is capable of etching intricate designs onto a variety of materials, including wood, metal, acrylic, leather, and even glass. The engraving size of 130 mm ensures that you can tackle projects of various sizes, from small logos to detailed artwork. The spot size of 0.04 mm allows for precise and detailed engravings, making it ideal for creating personalized items or professional-grade work. The Acma S1 is not just a powerful engraver, it's also incredibly user-friendly. The product's compact size of 250.2 x 250 162 mm makes it easy to transport and store, making it perfect for on-the-go projects. The engraving speed of 10,000 mm per minute ensures that your work is completed quickly, while the laser wavelength of 445 ±5 nanometers provides consistent and reliable results. Whether you're working in a home workshop or on the go, the Acma S1 is designed to be your go-to tool for all your engraving needs. Number 3. Trunxy X5 SA 400 Pro FDM 3D Printer. Replaced the original blue leveler and hotbed with better TR sensor auto leveling and lattice glass plate. The upgraded automatic bed leveler can sense opaque objects. Opening parenthesis to closing parenthesis. The lattice glass plate allows for easy removal of printed products and cleaning printing surface. Full belt drive, higher stability and printing accuracy, ensure the quality of the model. Dual Z-axis design, increase the bearing capacity of the hotbed, reduce errors in printing, and print more finely. X5 SA 400 PRO DIY assembly, providing complete parts and tools. The paper manual with an electronic version of the instructions and a link to the installation video. Assemble and debug by yourself. Enjoy the fun of DIY assembly. so as to meet your ideas and creativity. This process takes some time to install, debug and learn, which is quite challenging for novices. More recommended for experienced user. Number 4. ZoneStar Z9V5MK6FDM 3D Printer Kit. Mixing color and non-mixed color hot ends can be chosen, which have different performance. Achieve this function in slicing software. Only works with a mixing color hot end. Calculate based on the actual installation time ratio when all components are not installed. Measured at 50 centimeters away from the machine. The actual printed item cannot exceed 80% of the maximus build size of the machine. The machine enters sleep mode after automatic shutdown, and the standby power of the machine is less than 5 watts. Never warp and never rust, flexible, removable, stick to magnets very well. Improve printing accuracy and service life. Required when printing materials such as ABS/PC. Support speedy printing. Automatic remove the printed object from the platform and continue printing the next one. Turn your 3D printer into a simple laser engraving machine. Number 5. Pre-sale Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra LCD 3D Printer. The Mono 4 Ultra boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to its predecessor. A 7 inches 10K screen with a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 mm on the X and Y axis. 0.02 mm layer height to minimize layer lines. Using 8 mm diameter T-type screw rod and precision guide rails, this enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. Mono 4 Ultra uses advanced COB light source integrated with Fresnel lens, after precise optical adjustment, to achieve uniform purple light irradiation within a small angle of 3, ensuring no stray light interference on the 7 inches 10K black and white screen. Combining the 10K, 9024 5120px, higher resolution screen, Mono 4 Ultra controls the model tolerance within the range of 0.01 to 0.05 mm, making even the slightest differences clearly visible, ensuring that every detail of the model is accurately carved. With the light uniformity algorithm, each device undergoes rigorous screen energy calibration. The light uniform rate reaches greater than equals 90%. The algorithms adjust energy points outside the dynamic range, precisely controlling curing light energy. This reduces dimensional errors in each printed layer, ensuring consistent printing. It's the latest ACF film, not luck release film coating improvements. Intelligent release algorithm save 40% on print time. Boost 100% of your spirit. High-speed resin 2.0 0.1 mm max 120 mm per hour. Standard resin 0.1 mm max 80 mm per hour. Experience high-speed printing under the most challenging printing conditions, even with a layer height at just 0.1 mm. Printer auto inspection, residual resin detection, leftover resin monitoring, failed print detection, intelligent lifespan management. Every Mono 4 Ultra printer was assembled, calibrated, tuned, and tested before shipment. So when you received the printer, simply unbox and start printing. Leveling is needed before printing.